Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you know how important it is to move your assets securely. Today, we're tackling a common task: withdrawing BUSD from Kraken to your Phantom wallet. This step-by-step guide is designed to be simple, straightforward, and up-to-date with the latest features. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your Kraken account set up and verified. It's 2025, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled for extra security. Trust me, it's a game changer. Once you're logged in, head over to the Withdraw section in your dashboard. It's usually right on the main menu, so you can't miss it. Next, select BUSD from the list of available assets. Kraken might have updated its interface, but look for the search bar to quickly find it. Now, here's the crucial part. Enter your Phantom wallet address. Open your Phantom app on your phone or desktop, go to the Receive section, and copy the BUSD specific address. Paste it carefully into Kraken. Double-check for any typos because one wrong character could send your funds into the void. After that, you'll need to specify the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated total before proceeding. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll likely get a confirmation email or in-app notification. Go ahead and approve it. Now, sit tight and monitor the transaction. Blockchain networks can vary, but in 2025, things are faster than ever. It might take a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, hop back into your Phantom wallet and refresh to see your BUSD arrive. Awesome job! A few quick tips. Always use the correct network. BUSD is typically on BNB Smart Chain, so ensure your wallets match. If you run into issues, Kraken's support is pretty responsive. And remember, crypto is exciting but volatile, so only withdraw what you need. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.